Okay guys, we're going to start with this strategy. This is a 2-minute strategy. As you can see, I have a couple different indicators on here. We have the super trend, and then I have the SCAF trend cycle, and it's at the default settings. Along with that, there's a zigzag default settings as well, and a moving average of 7, EMA. It is a great strategy. It's perfect if you're trying to build a small account. You see I've got 36 bucks in there. If you're thinking about signing up for pocket options and you're new with it, there's links in the description. Sign up, register. It's 50 bucks to do so. It'll get you going. But this strategy is great if you're a beginner and you're trying to just slowly build your account. See, I'm just playing with the dollar. So let's see what happens. I've taken a few trades and you can see how the strategy works.